Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to animate on click here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Animating elements on click in Canva can add interactivity to your designs, making them more engaging for presentations or even web use. Now, once you are logged into your account, just open the project that you are working with, or if you haven't already, click on the Create a Design. In my case, I'm going to be selecting the presentations and the browse by category. You see that? Presentations. I'm going to click on it. Now, you can choose from all these templates that you wanted, but in my case, I'm gonna click on the create a blank presentation from scratch because I already have an element to be added here. Now, once the element has been added, you see, all I have to do is click on the design that you're working. There's gonna be a 3 dots for that. I'm going to duplicate this page right here, maybe 3 of them. Click the first design or the first page, click on the animate option. You see there should be an option that says appear on click. All right, you see that? Now you can simply click on the click order if you have that. All right, so that's one way. Now another option is I'm gonna delete all of these for now. All right, I'm gonna add another page. I'm going to go to the video right here. Say, for example, I'm going to add this one. No, not that one, because I'm going to the video. Say, for example, this one right here. This is for the second page. On the third page, I'm gonna make sure that there's a different video. Say, not that one. Maybe this one right here. How about this one? All right, so let me just press that again. Here, I'm gonna select this, click on the animate, and appear on click. All right, click on the page. Say, for example, it's gonna be a slick. This one on maybe like a corporate. On animate on enter, maybe. On the last one is gonna be like a wipe. All right, so basically if you click that, you see that's basically animating on click. You see? All right, so basically it's a very easy thing to do. Now on top of that, you can choose the timing on it. All right, so for example, like earlier, is it gonna be on entry, on exit? Making sure to select this option, this means the animation will occur when you click during presentation mode, which is on this section right here that says scroll view, right? When you click on the present full view, right, to see how your animation will look, click on the present, all right? But in the top corner, this will open presentation mode, allowing you to adjust the click animation section right here. All right, if you want to adjust the timing of your animation or duration, you can do so in the same animation settings. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.